Hello everyone! Today we're doing some easy t-shirt weaving, so grab your scissors. For this tutorial you will need a piece of cardboard, a shirt, a ruler, a pair of sharp scissors, and something to mark your clothing with. Start by turning your shirt inside out and laying it out flat, backside up. Then trim off the bottom to your liking. Measure and mark a couple inches in from each side. Then use these markings to draw a rectangle the length of the shirt. Cut off the collar before we do any more markings. Now grab your ruler again, and this time we're going to measure down the center of the shirt lengthwise and make marks 2 centimeters apart. Then use these marks to draw lines across the rectangle. Grab your cardboard and put it inside the shirt. Then grab your scissors and start cutting along all the lines that go across the rectangle. Take the cardboard out and turn your shirt back inside in. Then put the cardboard back inside the shirt and lay it down flat, backside up. Stretch out all of your strips of fabric. Now it's time to weave. Grab the top 3 strands and pull them down. Now grab the next 3 strands and pull them up over the first 3 and down. Grab the next set of 3 strips and pull them up over the second set and then down. Continue this all the way to the bottom of the shirt. It's fine if your bottom set of strips has 2, 3, or 4 strands. Once you get to the bottom, cut the last set of strands in half, then tie either side around the set of strips above it. Trim the ends. Adjust your weave to your liking, and that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. If you're looking for more, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.